Hi everyone. I want to talk today about my second book, Business Models in Emerging Technologies. And more specifically, I wanted to share a few words on hiring data scientists. So as data science and AI are becoming more and more important, every business will have to figure out who's the right person to hire to help them out on this journey. One of the many things that we cover in this book is what motivates data scientists, as well as the different types of data scientists. Okay, so we explain how you can get into the right mindset to hire data scientists, as well as the different subtypes. So we talk, for example, about the fact that there are computer scientists, statisticians, or other quant specialists, as well as some, let's say, smaller tribes, as we call them, with different strengths and weaknesses. So finding who's the right person to hire is key in succeeding in this era of data science and AI. And again, if you want a copy of this book, feel free to shoot me a message, and I'm more than happy to share one with you, as well as to discuss any challenges you face around AI or data science.